So over here you can see that I actually have Adobe Lightroom opened up, and here are some images just like this, as you can see. So now if I were to actually go ahead and click on this image, let's say for example, over here on the right hand side you can actually see the metadata for this particular image. Similarly, if I were to go around onto different images, you can see that I got the creator name, the folder, and so forth, the ratings and so forth, as you can see right here. But what you can actually also do is you can actually go ahead and then, let's say for example, create out your own metadata preset, so that whenever you import out images, that particular metadata can be added onto the images. So to do that, you can go around over here onto the metadata, and if you don't see the metadata menu, make sure you're on the library module right here, because if you were to go to the develop module, you can see that you see different menu options. So if I were to go around onto library, you can simply go around onto metadata, and then here you can see that you can edit metadata presets right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that this is what you have. So you got the preset as custom, as you can see right here. So you can go ahead and type in, let's say for example, copy name will be, let's say for example, TutorTube 1 right here. You can also add in camera comments and everything else right here, and even add in keywords right here like TutorTube, TutorTube right here. So I'm just going to go around and say tutorial, and I'm going to go around and say editing and so forth right here. So you can go ahead and add in information as you like. So let's say rating will be default 4. You can add in label or captions as you like as well, and add in GPS coordinates and everything else. So now what you need to do is you need to go ahead and save this out as a preset. So I'm just going to go around over here onto preset, and then click on save current settings to new preset, and I'm simply going to go around and name this preset as TutorTube and click on create. So once you do that and press done, the metadata preset is saved. And now if you were to go ahead and import out images, so if I were to go around onto import right here, then what you can actually do is, let's say for example, go around onto images right here. Let's just go around onto, let's say, bats right here, and you can see that I got some images. So let's just deselect it. And now what you can actually do is, for example, over here in apply during import, you can see that I can go ahead and select TutorTube right here. I can also go ahead and add in extra keywords as I like as well. For example, I'm going to say TutorTube channel right here, just like this. So you can go ahead and add in more keywords as well, like for example, YouTube and so forth. So this is what you have. And now if you were to go ahead and then add in these details and press done right here, then what happens is that those images will be imported. So I actually pressed done. I actually had to press import. So I'm just going to go around over here, and then I'm simply going to go around, and you can see that it is loading right there. It says select a source. So let's just go around onto the bats folder again right here. So I actually pressed done instead of import. So let's just go ahead and say TutorTube channel. Let's say for example, and YouTube. Let's just go ahead and click on import right here. And then what happens is that it simply goes ahead and imports out those files right here. So this is what you have. These are the files that are imported right here, and you can actually see that the creator is TutorTube now right here with the rating of 4, as you can see, which is applied by default right there, and those metadata has been added in, as you can see right here, just like this by default as you selected it, because this is the metadata right here. I can select none as well, or I can add in a particular preset right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and then create out metadata preset and choose the particular metadata preset during import inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.